Launching a check from iCIMS is super easy. To initiate the background check, head into your job listing, into the candidate and select the 3 dots and hit Advance. Select Send to Zinc Work Prime Background Check and wait for the pop-up to appear. At that point, you can select a location, which will be your default company, and then select one of your packages. These packages are any of the packages that you've created in Zinc already. Select and review. Check you're happy with the combination of checks included within that package, and then select Continue. This will then pull the candidate's name and email address, and they will receive an email from Zinc to initiate the background check. To view the status of the background checks, head into your candidate profile, into Additional Info, and then hit Prime Background Screening. Here you'll see the package, individual check statuses, and also if you hit View Details, you'll be able to access the PDF report of everything in one place.